In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert special symbols into your Microsoft Word document, specifically focusing on adding a combining dot below certain characters. This is particularly useful if you're working on documents that require meticulous attention to linguistic details, or if you simply want to spruce up your document with a customization not readily visible on the keyboard. To kick things off, let's open up your Microsoft Word file. If you haven't already, launch Microsoft Word and open the document you're working on. Whether it's a fresh blank page or an existing file, you'll be ready to enhance it with some specialized characters once you're set up here. Now, navigating to your document's toolbar, the next step is to go to the Insert tab. This is where all your options for inserting tables, pictures, and more reside. Once you've clicked on Insert, your eyes should drift over to the Symbols section. Go ahead and click on Symbols. Now, rather than choosing from the limited set of predefined symbols, you'll want to click on More Symbols. This action opens up a dialog box that contains a treasure trove of characters and symbols. It's a fascinating collection that covers a myriad of languages, mathematical signs, and various special characters that come in handy for formatting and embellishing your text. Next, in the Symbols window, you need to set the subset category to Combining Diacritical Marks. This step is pivotal because it groups together symbols that typically serve as modifications to standard characters rather than standalone icons. Once set, scroll through the selection to find the combining dot below. The combining dot below is one of those nifty little symbols that, as the name suggests, places a dot just underneath a chosen character. It's particularly used in some scholarly transcription systems, linguistic projects, or whenever your document demands specificity regarding pronunciation or notation. To add it, just highlight the combining dot below and click the Insert button. The symbol, as if by magic, will appear in your document located wherever your cursor is currently positioned. Try typing a character where the dot below can make a difference, and you'll see its placement immediately. This opens up a world of possibilities in personalizing your text. And that's it, you're done. With these simple steps, you can now enrich your documents with a professional touch and unique flair, giving them that specialized or scholarly appeal. This hidden Microsoft Word feature is a gem, especially for users looking to maximize what they can produce with this powerful piece of software. Thank you for tuning in and happy typing. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up or share with a friend who might find this useful too.